good evening to all. My name's Simon Scott. It's my pleasure to be the flight lead taking you back to London Takeoff Airport this evening. We're a team of 4 cabin crew, including myself. Got a fantastic team alongside me, working for your comfort, mainly for your safety. And they are Matt, Sarah and Brooke. I'd like to add a special welcome to those who are returning from our British Airways Club, and then if you're joining from another One World Alliance partner, it's great to have you with us this evening. I remind you to keep your seatbelt fastened over your seat, and it must remain securely fastened whenever the seatbelt signs are illuminated. If and when opening the lockers in flight, please do take care. Items may have moved which can fall out and cause injury. As a polite reminder, smoking, including e-cigarettes, vaping and use of any other smoking device is not permitted any time whilst on board. This does include inside the toilets, which are fitted with sensitive smoke detectors. Please do have launched our free onboard Wi-Fi messaging service for all BA Club members to enjoy aboard today's flight. So very shortly you'll be able to connect to the BA Wi-Fi or join the British Airways Club by simply typing shop.ba.com in your browser, where you can access free messaging and discover what offers and packages available. In-seat powers available on this aircraft is within your seat area. I'll be switching on very shortly once the seatbelt signs have been turned up by the flight crew. Just a reminder that all phones should now be in silent mode to avoid disturbing other customers. Please note video and phone calls are not permitted at any time during the flight. Once the aircraft is levelled out and it's safe for us to do so, we're going to start the onboard service this evening. If you do have a food allergy or would like any information about specific allergens on today's flight, please ask a member of the cabin crew. Customers in Club Europe this evening will be coming through offering you a choice of meal and drinks from the bar. Apologies in advance should your meal choice not be available. In Euro Traveller will be coming through delivering any prepaid, pre-ordered High Life Cafe items. Then we'll follow with a complimentary bottle of water and a small snack, and then we'll start the main High Life Cafe trolley service. If you'd like to have a look at the items available, please feel free to connect to the Wi-Fi portal, click on View Menu, or you can simply refer to the menu card which you should find in the seat pocket in front of you. Just a couple of reminders, no cash payments I'm afraid today, only card payments on our BAXZ Club members. I'm reminded you can use Airways points for any food or drink purchases should you wish to do so. That's all from me. Flight time's a little over 1 hour 15 minutes. We'll get you to London as quickly and as safely as we can, but for now please relax. Enjoy onboard hospitality. If there's anything myself or my team can do to make your journey more comfortable, then please let us know. Thank you.